Tristan Nodalo, Newswatch.
Yusek, on another topic naman po, just yesterday, the defense team of former President Rodrigo Duterte formally asked the ICC pretrial chamber to dismiss or drop the case against the former president, citing lack of jurisdiction and legal basis. And may sinabi rin po sila doon sa kanilang letter na meron daw pong supposed letter from President Marcos stating his administration would not assist the court. Can the palace confirm if such letters exist na hindi raw po makikipag-cooperate yung Marcos admin sa ICC? Isa po yung kasi sa binanggit nung defense team doon sa pag-ask nila na ma-drop yung charges against the former president.
Kung ang depensa nila ay walang jurisdiction ng ICC, then that's part of due process. Let them be. At kung ano ang magiging tugon po dito ng ICC, nasa kamay na po yan ng ICC. With regard to the letter, wala po ako sa ngayon, kung meron man, patungkol sa letter na yan. Ang letter po ba ay sinasabing hindi makikialam ang Marcos administration sa gagawin ng ICC? Kahit siguro po walang letter, hindi naman po talaga tayo makikialam kung ano po ang magiging mandato ng ICC.
Pero hindi po worried ang palace, for example, that those statements of not cooperating with the ICC would weaken the charges against the president, a former president?
It has been said many times na hindi naman po tayo nakikipag-cooperate sa ICC. Dahil nga po, as of now, wala pa pong jurisdiction ang ICC sa bansang Pilipinas.